All right, you guys, we are back today with another gifted product. Today we have an artificial tree. This one particular one sits about 5 feet up. It is fun. It comes with a weighted base. Now this is shown in the picture that it can be going inside or outdoor. The base is weighted. I have seen it be put inside a pot, which is really, really cute. So let's see how this is. Now this is it's called a keratin. It is a plant located in Asia. All of these are going to be on the metal hinges so that you can, or the wire, so you can open it up, whatever is best for you. It does have a really cool, real look to it. It is going to fit on here, pushing it down. I will zoom out just so you guys can see it and let you know what the finished product looks like. It is super cool. All right, as you can tell, now the highest point is about 5 feet. I'm 5'4", so you can tell that it is a little bit taller. This would be great behind a couch or behind an end table, anything along those lines. Now, like I said, this is super, super, super pretty. It does have the yellows and greens. I do hope that this review helps and you have a wonderful day.